Karen, it is my privilege to present before you a small attempt by the Innovate Club of Trivandrum on a very elusive topic, that of international peace. Peace is something which we all desire. We all want peace. At the same time, it is very difficult to achieve that, especially on an international level. Let us hope and pray that each and every one of us is able to find that shanti within ourselves today and every day. God bless you all.
ఏకం ఏకమయం సకలలోక సుఖకరం నిర్మహిమకారం మనోహరం ఏదో నామం ఏదో రూపం ఏకం ఏకమయం చేదోహరం సుఖశీతోపచారం ఏకాంతాదరం పగరం విచారం ఏదో నామం ఏదో రూపం ఏకం ఏకమయం. India is perhaps one of the few countries in the world who, in their historical existence, never made an aggressive assault on any other nation. We have always preferred to follow a path of peace and also advocated for peace throughout the world. Even the basic adage propagated by us, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, is testimony to our desire for universal peace and happiness. But unfortunately, the aggressive territorial aspirations of our neighboring countries act contrary to our advocacy for peace. Imagine a world of universal peace that is professed by all, then the huge amount spent now on armaments proliferation by each country can be diverted to development work. Instead, each country is expanding their defense budgets all the time, spreading fear and terror among one another. If you open the daily newspaper or your news channel, the blaring headlines facing you are those of terror, murder, sexual abuses, and many such activities that wreck the peace in the society. What happens in the society is a true reflection of what goes on in the country and the world as a whole. Considering the family or the community as a nucleus, it actually reflects the attitude and thinking of the world at large. If we look at the world countries and get into the specific activities of each, it can be seen that the huge amount of arsenals stored and being manufactured still further by most of them are sufficient to destroy the whole world by the pressing of a button. In fact, this is applicable to all the nations, including those professing world peace. A small difference of opinion, or perhaps a so-called ethical misunderstanding on the part of a self-declared leader of a country may be sufficient to destroy millions of people and thereby put the world peace in jeopardy. Territorial ambitions, communal differences, and even personal aspirations may cause the cessation of global peace. As mentioned earlier, domestic peace is the nucleus of peace in the society, which will reflect on the attitude of the country, which will ultimately have a say in the peace at large in the world. It is in this aspect we have a vital role to play. The common breach of peace in the society is a result of domestic problems, lack of proper moral standards, financial problems, and lack of patience and compassion. What we can do to solve this problem is to help in molding the next generation capable of facing the situations arising from these evils that create chaos in the society. On this World Peace Day, we can only pray to the Almighty to instill the leaders of different countries compassion and goodness for a peaceful world. May the World Peace Day augur a world peace century for us, so that our future generation can have a wonderfully peaceful world to live in. Thank you.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम् आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम् जननी पृथिवी कामदुःखार्ते जननी पृथिवी कामदुःखार्ते जनको देवः सकलदयाळो जनको देवः सकलदयाळो दाम्यदत्त दयतो जनता दाम्यदत्त दयतो जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां
Hello everyone. Greetings on the occasion of the International Day of Peace. I am Devi Gopinath and I belong to the 2010 batch of the Indian Foreign Service. As a serving Indian diplomat, I am aware of the expectations from India to be a major global player in promoting international peace and security. In 2021, a world groping in the darkness of the COVID-19 pandemic also had to grapple with the consequences of the US withdrawal from Afghanistan. It was against this background that India assumed the month-long presidency of the United Nations Security Council in August 2021. During the presidency, India was able to produce substantive outcomes on key global issues on its agenda, including Afghanistan, maritime security, peacekeeping and technology, Syria, Myanmar, Middle East peace process, etc. The UNSC presidency of India in the month of August therefore provided us with a valuable opportunity to pursue our global priorities and highlight issues of concern. India's presidency was guided by an astute 5S approach, the 5 pillars of global engagement, namely Samman or respect, Samvad or dialogue, Sahyog or cooperation, Shanti or peace, and Samriddhi or prosperity. The 5S approach has been designed keeping in mind India's overall objective during the current tenure in the UNSC, that is, achievement of norms or a new orientation for a reformed multilateral system. Shanti or peace forms an integral part of India's 5S approach, and as such, a large part of India's tenure of the UNSC would be guided by its commitment to international peace and security. Of course, it is just natural that the land of Gautam Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi should choose Shanti as the central pillar of its global agenda. The theme for this year's International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. As a responsible member of the global community, India would work tirelessly for the recovery process in a post pandemic world. Moreover, today, India is also better equipped to assume the mantle of global leadership for building a more equitable and sustainable world. Compliments to the Inner Wheel Club of Trivandrum for organizing this event on the International Day of Peace. Women have a major stake in global peace and security, yet we see that women are woefully underrepresented at the global decision-making table. Initiatives led by global women's networks like the Inner Wheel Club are therefore important in mainstreaming women's participation in the global peace process. On this International Day of Peace, let us renew our commitment to global peace and forge new partnerships that help us in achieving progress, peace building, and peacekeeping. Jai Hind.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः रि नि स प नि म प म रि म स रि नि स नि प नि स रि स म रि म प नि प नि प नि स रि स रि नि स प नि म प म रि म स रि नि स नि प नि स रि स म रि म प नि प नि प नि स रि स म रि प म रि स नि रि नि स नि प स नि प म रि म स रि नि स प नि स रि स प नि म प रि म प नि प स रि नि स प नि स रि स रि म प नि प प Pani sari sa sari pa ri ma pa ni sari ni sa sari ma ri ma pa ni sari ni sa sari ma ri ma pa ni sari ni sa. Om Dhyau Shanti Antariksham Shantihi Prithvi Shantihi Apa Shantihi Oshadhaya Shantihi Vanaspatayah Shantihi Vishve Deva Shantihi Brahma Shantihi Sarvam Shantihi Shantireva Shantihi Sama Shantireva